Hello, and welcome to our demonstration of Job Board. This is the homepage that you'll land on. It tells you more information about our product. And then once you're ready to get started, you can click on this button to make an account. First, I'll be making a job seeker account. So we can be Jill Seeker with an email and a password. And you can select your user type. So I will select job seeker and then sign up. Then you'll be taken to your profile page where you can edit your profile. You can add your name. You can make a headline. You can add education. Can do August to May 28. You can add work experience. Let's say I worked at Georgia Tech as a web developer assistant. I helped with web development. And then you can enter in your skills. So you can say Java and Python, and then save changes. Next, you can edit your privacy settings. So some examples are allowing your profile to appear in recruiter search, or showing my skills, or show my work experience. So all of these are customizable where you can check what you would like or not like, and then save. Next, I will show the search page. So here are the filters, and right now all the search results are showing. Let's say I just want to search by my skill of Java that I want to use, and maybe things specifically in Atlanta if I don't want to go super far. So maybe I'll set this to like 30 miles. So we can press search, and now only the jobs in that radius with the skill Java has appeared. So another thing we can do is go to the job recommendations page, which will automatically show the jobs that have your skills. So you know that these ones are good to apply for. Once you're ready, you can press the quick apply button. That will let you write a short note if you would like. So I can say, I would like to be hired. And then you can submit your application. And here you can see whether you've already applied. If you would like to track your application further, you can go to the My Applications page. And here it will show all your jobs and what the status is. So right now I've applied, but as soon as the recruiter updates my status, I will be able to see it here. Now we'll go to the job postings map page. Here it will show the jobs filtered and ranked by my current location. If I would like to set a preferred commute radius, I can press apply. And I can see the jobs in my radius on the map by seeing what is in the circle. Let's say I only want to do jobs that are 2 miles. Now I've only gotten these jobs. Next, I will be making an account as a recruiter. So we can log out and get started. Let's say I am Jack Recruiter with an email and a password. So I can select recruiter. So I can edit this profile again with my name. And then I can add my company name. So let's say I work for Apple and save these changes. Nice. So for the further demonstration, I'll actually log into my current recruiter account of John Recruiter. So John Recruiter also works for Google, and he's posted some jobs. But let's say that I want to post a job, so I can go to this page. We can do another software engineer. You can make the salary range. So we can do that. And maybe this one isn't at the Atlanta office, but it's at the New York office. And we want skills like Java and Python for this role. So let's create this job. And so now we can go to my jobs and we can see the extra job. Let's go to search candidates. Here you can see a lot of candidates, but let's say I just want ones that have the skill of Java. So now I have limited that search, and maybe I just want to look for people in Atlanta right now. So I can do this and it gets narrowed more. So maybe I want to save this search to find more people with Java in Atlanta. So I can, and I can name it something like Java in Atlanta. Save this search, and now you can see your saved searches. So if I want to get notified of when new candidates have these skills and are in this location, then I can come here and it says 0 since the last check and also how many current matches there are. So if I want to view this again, I can do view matches and see them here. So next I can go to the candidate recommendations page, and this will show you all of the candidates that would be good for your jobs. You could, for example, filter it further by job. So and maybe I just want people in this location, and then it would update. Next, if I want to see the cluster of applicants for a certain job, I could view the job and then view the application map. So right now, no one has applied to this job, but once they do, it would update the applicant map. So right now, I'm logged in as Jill, and I'm going to apply to the software engineer position in New York. So I would like this job. So now I can log back in as John Recruiter. And I can check my jobs, and now I can see that one applicant has applied. So if I would like to view the application map, I can see my job location, and I can see the applicant cluster is one in Atlanta. So it'll help you see information about where your candidates are applying from. So let's say that I really like this applicant, and now I want to move her to the interviewing stage. So I can look through all the applicants here and now move to the interviewing stage. So now if we're logged back in as Jill Seeger, we can go to My Applications, and now I can see that the current stage is interviewing instead of applied. So now the only thing left is to show our admin functions. So let's say that you want to delete a user. Maybe they've been reported or something. You can go here and select the user. Say we want to get rid of Jill. We can press delete selected users, and now she's deleted. We can also do this for job postings. So maybe this software engineering one is actually a fake job. It doesn't exist. We can press delete and delete it. Finally, if we would like to get a CSV report so that we can send this to our stakeholders, we can press this and we can see the full report. So this is that CSV file. Thank you for viewing our demo of Jobboard.